Topics in quantum mechanics, expectation value of x to the n. We have here for real side here, or wave function. Find this expectation value of x to the n, where in here is greater than 0, are arbitrary integers. The wave function is given by this equations. So we have the solution here. The conjugate of this wave function is also equal to the wave function itself. This is the given wave functions here. The average or expectation value, therefore, is from the formula. So this is the formula for the expectation value of the x to the n. Then we simplify it here. So we have this simple expressions. So we combine the 2a over pi raised to the 1/4 plus this one. You multiply it by 2a over pi raised to the 1/4 here. So we have the simple expression for the integral here. So the solution depends entirely on whether the integers n is odd or even due to the symmetry of the integral. For case 1, n is an integer, is an odd integer, n equal to 135. So first, let's analyze the parity, even the nature of the function being integrated. So the term here, x to the n, is an odd function when n is odd. That is negative x. Raised to the n is equal to negative of the x to the n here. So the Gaussian term here, negative 2kx squared, is an even functions. So we have here a proof of the even functions. So negative 2a times negative of x raised to 2 is equal to exponent 2ex squared. So the product of an odd function and even function is an odd functions. So a fundamental property of the calculus states that the integral of any odd functions over a symmetric interval, negative infinity to positive infinity, evaluates to 0. Therefore, for any odd integer n, the integral here is equal to 0. Okay, so we have the case 2 here. N is an even integers. We let n equal to 2k or k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So when n is even, x raised to the 2k is an even function, making the entire integral even. So we can simplify the integral by evaluating it from 0 to infinity and doubling the result. So we have this expressions. So to solve this, we can use substitution that transform the integral into the standard gamma functions. So we have the definition of the gamma functions here. This is in terms of the integral. So apply the substitution here. So you equal to a x squared, 2a squared. So then x equal to the square root of u over 2a, and dx equal to d over 4ax equal to du over 2 times square root of 2a times the square root of u also here. So substituting this into the integral, it gives, so we have this by substitutions, we have these expressions. Then simplifying, so by simplifying here, we have e2k equal to this by simplifications. So evaluate using the gamma functions. So the remaining integral is exactly the definition of the gamma functions. So these are the gamma functions here. So this gamma function is similar to this one. This is the gamma functions. It has a similarity to the gamma functions. So we have by using the gamma functions here, this one, we have the gamma of k plus 1 half here. k plus 1/2. So 1 over the constant here, 1 over the square root of pi 2a raised to the k here. So using the known property of the gamma function for half integers here, so we have the definitions by using the known property of the gamma functions for half integers. So the integer of the gamma of k plus 1/2 is equal to 2k minus 1 double factorial over 2k times the square root of pi. So where double factorial here denotes double in factorial. We substitute this back in 2k. So we have here. So our 2k here is our I 2k here equal to 2k minus 1 double factorial over 4a raised to the k here. So we have the alternative perspective probability theory. So if you look closely at the prefactor, the function f of x equal to square root of 2a over pi times the uh, e to the negative 2a x squared is the exact probability density function of normal density Gaussian distribution centered at q equal to 0 with the variance of square of the sigma here equal to 1 over 4a. So therefore, integrating x to the n f of x over a real number is simply calculating the n through moment. Uh, for this distribution. So standard statistical theory dictates that the odd moments of mean, normal distribution are 0, and even moments n equal to 2k are given by 2k times 2k minus 1 double factorial, which immediately yields the same results here. So this is the uh, alternative perspective probability theory. But we focus on these solutions. So never mind this if it seems difficult to understand here. So the final summary here. So we have our results here. This is equal to 0 if n is odd. And this is equal to n minus 1 double factorial over 4a n over 2 if n is even. So we have the verification of the equality of the two values here. So we have to integrate this using this the left side here. So for example, our a here is so for example our a here is equal to 5 here, a equal to 5. So 2 times 5 equal to 10 over pi here. So our n is equal to 10 here. For example, x to the n, so x to the 10 here. So in this example, a equal to, let's say, a equal to 5 and n equal to 10. So the integral here is the final value here is 189 over 640,000. So to verify the formula for the specific value a equal to 5 and n equal to 10, we first determine when condition applies. Since n equal to 10 is an even number, we use the secondary part of the piecewise functions. Now for the right side here, we verify here n equal to 10 and a equal to 5 here. So this is the right side. So n equal to 10 here. So n equal to 10, a equal to 5. Then 10 minus 1 equal to 9. 9 double factorial is equal to 9753 times 1, 945. So simplify the denominator here. So 4 times 5 raised to the fifth. Raised to the fifth here. So that is 300. This is 3,200,000. So combine and reduce the fractions here. So 945 over 3,200,000. So both numbers are divisible by 5. So we can reduce the fraction to its simplest form. So that is 189 over 6,400. So the answer here is uh, the answer here. They evaluated the integral equals 189 over 600 for 6,000 over 600 over 6,000,000 over 640,000 here, or exactly 0.002953,125 decimal. So both sides are correct here. Both sides are equal here. 189. So this is also 189 here. So using the right side, we have also 189 over 640,000. Okay, so here we have the parameter here for the so from our equations here, this is our given equations. So if n is 0 here, so this is equal to 0 if n is odd. Now if n is even, so we have the value here. Example, let's vary the n here, the parameter a. So we have the different value of a here. So if we increase the a, now if n equal to 0, so that is an even number. Now if n equal to for example 1, so the value of the integral here equal to 0. We have the negative area, the positive area equal to 0. If n equal to 2, and we have the value not equal to 0. So this positive area plus positive area is not equal to 0. So if this is equal to 3, we have the negative area and the positive area equal to 0. Now we can also uh, increase or decrease the parameter here. For example, a is we increase the a, and also we have the n here equal to odd number, so that is equal to 0. Positive area, negative area. So like this one, so if this is equal to 8, so we have the positive plus positive not equal to 0. But we can change the value of n here. So it depends upon uh, the here, different values of n.